Tire Discounters has really taken the green initiative to heart. So the Shockwave being 110 volts does a couple things for us. It reduces our carbon footprint because we're not using 220 volts, and it costs less on installation. It also, because of the rechargeable batteries, we use less electricity, which reduces our carbon footprint and our cost.
You know, we did take the power outage into consideration because it never fails. We'll have a thunderstorm roll through, or we'll have a construction project or a power outage, and it's that car on the hoist that you need to get down, that you can't get down.
Oh, that's not good, especially if the customer's waiting for their car. That's kind of embarrassing. We don't have to worry about that anymore because we have these beautiful Shockwave lifts. I think they can do 30 lift cycles with one battery charge, so it's really, really cool.